Want to add custom buttons to Proof pop-ups but don't know where to start? You've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add custom buttons to your Proof pop-ups so you can enhance user engagement and drive more conversions. Whether you're new to Proof or just looking to make your pop-ups more interactive, stay tuned because we'll go over everything you need to know. First things first, Proof is an incredible tool to create urgency and social proof on your website. It shows visitors notifications like 5 people have recently signed up or 2 people bought this product in the last hour. Adding custom buttons to these pop-ups can boost user interaction even further. It allows you to personalize the user experience and guide them to the action you want them to take. Now, let's dive into the process of adding custom buttons to Proof pop-ups. Start by logging into your Proof account. Once you're inside, navigate to the Campaigns section where you've already created a pop-up campaign, or create a new one if you haven't yet. Once you're editing the pop-up, click on the button element in the customization panel. Here you can choose from a variety of preset styles, but the real magic happens when you opt for a custom button. Click the custom option and you'll see a wide range of editable fields. You can change the button text, color, font, and size to match your site's design. Want to make the button stand out even more? You can add hover effects to give the button a more interactive feel. This helps catch your visitor's eye and increases the likelihood they'll click. Under the advanced settings, you'll find the hover effect options where you can set it to change color, add an underline, or even animate the button. Now, for the important part, linking your custom button to the right action. When visitors click that button, you want them to do something, whether it's subscribing to your newsletter, adding an item to their cart, or going to a landing page. In the button settings, you'll see an option to set a link. This is where you'll input the URL of the action you want the button to trigger. Let's take it a step further. You can even set up triggers so that your pop-up with a custom button only shows after a certain condition is met, like when a user spends a certain amount of time on your page or when they've scrolled a specific percentage. This ensures that you're not overwhelming your visitors with too many pop-ups, but only showing them at the right moment. Once you're happy with your button and its settings, click Save and don't forget to test it out. Make sure the button works as expected and triggers the desired action. If you're not already using Proof, you can actually get started with it completely free by following the first link below. Plus, I've got an exclusive bonus for you, an extended free trial so you can experience all the features, including custom buttons on Proof pop-ups, without any commitment. Remember, adding custom buttons to Proof pop-ups isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making the user experience more interactive and driving the right actions from your visitors. This simple yet powerful customization can help you increase conversions, get more leads, and improve engagement on your site. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the first link below for your exclusive free trial of Proof with all the tools you need to take your website to the next level.